How to turn off Threads notifications. Here's how to turn them off on your iPhone. First, open the Threads app on your iPhone. Tap your profile icon in the bottom right corner. Next, tap the two-line menu in the top right corner to open Settings. Now, tap Notifications. Here, you'll see different notification categories, such as replies, mentions, reposts, followers, and other activity notifications. You can turn off individual notification types by tapping each category and choosing your preferred option. If you want to pause all Threads notifications, tap Pause All, then choose how long you'd like notifications to be paused. To completely stop Threads notifications on your iPhone, open the Settings app on your iPhone, scroll down, and tap Threads. Then tap Notifications and turn off Allow Notifications. Once you've made your changes, your notification preferences are saved automatically. And that's it. You've successfully turned off Threads notifications on your iPhone. Thanks for watching. If this tutorial helped, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more iPhone tips, tricks, and social media tutorials.